Welcome back to the plot, everyone. It's a nice day here in Exeter. I've got Delilah up here helping me with the camera. So we've been up here a few hours and we're about to leave, but I just want to go round and grab a few things that are ready to take home before we leave. So I've got a few bags. Let's go and see what we can get to start with. First things first, strawberries. So there's quite a few of these strawberries are ready to come home with me. That's a good size one. Let's see what else we got. Got another one there. Got a small one there. The strawberries have been doing really well this year. They're a decent size and we've been getting quite a few every week. Well, I've been getting enough every week to take home a little portion. So I mean, these are fabulous. I can't be tempted to eat them straight from the plant, because where we get our water from is like the water is like a trough, and although it's fresh mains water, as soon as it goes into the trough's absolutely filthy because people keep dipping their watering cans in, so there's like a layer of mud in the bottom. So that's the water we use to water everything, and so everything really needs washed before we can eat it. You can't just pick from a plant and eat it. Looks like the slugs have beaten me to this one. It's absolutely hollowed out. There's just a shell of it. That's why I'm not leaving anything on the plant. There's another one that's been taken by the slugs. And another one. I thought I spotted a snail there. Just bear with me. So he's going over there. That's one going. Hopefully there's no more. It's quite hard to see them. And if you look around here, I've put some copper tape all the way around the bed this afternoon to see if that'll stop them coming up and getting my strawberries. I've also spotted all the runners, and I'm going to get a few of these runners and plant them up. See, like that one started putting out some roots, and I'll plant them up and get some runners, and I'll give Delilah some runners so she can have some nice strawberries next year. So there you go, I've got a little portion of strawberries to take home. I just need to get some ice cream to go with them. Right, next thing, have I got a knife? Oh, that's deal with. I've got a nice pepper over here. That's good. That'll come home with me. I'll have that with my lunch during the week. And we're going to take a couple of these lettuces. Okay, they'll be good after you strip back any damaged leaves, but they're okay. What next? Let's go and get some beans. Come and have a look. We've actually got some beans on the plant. I'll be looking for that. If you look down here, you can see the first beans are on the plant, and this is the perfect size to take them. And of course, the more you take them, the more the plant will start producing them. See, all these ones here are a bit too small to take really, but there's some down here on this plant. Perfect, these are great. This will be a nice little portion for me and Pip during the week. In about another 2 weeks' time, this plant will be dripping with all these beans. We'll have so many beans we won't know what to do. It'll be a case of, if we didn't have a freezer, it'd be a case of we'd be fed up eating all the beans. But there you go. There you go, a little portion for me and for Pip. A couple of weeks, as I say, it's a couple of weeks' time. There'll be so many in the plant, we won't know what to do. You have a look here, tomatoes. Finally got some tomatoes on the tomato plants. I've took my eye off these tomatoes plants, and they're growing always. I don't know what's the main stems or whatever, what's side shoots. So I'm just hoping that we get some tomatoes off them before we get hit by blight. Because we grow them all outside, it's very easy to get blight, and we usually do get blight every year. So it'd be nice if we could get some tomatoes before the blight arrives. But nothing ready at the minute. But if you come this way, come round this way, do you like my sweet peas? Aren't they beautiful? It's a shame you can't smell them as well, because it's really, really fragrant. So yeah, a lovely display there. And as you can see, some of them have seed pods already, but I'll let the seed pods pod up, so I've got some seeds for next year. But yeah, fabulous. And these are my normal eating peas, and it's difficult to see on the plant, but there is some on here. They're not ready yet. I can feel inside there are peas, but they're very, very small. There's too much. Actually this one's feeling a bit thick. Let's have a look at this one. We'll just put those beans in my pocket. Actually, that's not bad. They're nice. Here you go, Delilah. Do you want some? No. Okay. I'm having yours then. They're nice. Now the trick is now is to leave them on the plant long enough so that they all swell up, and I take them actually home, that I don't eat them all while I'm up here at the allotment. So I want to get a bag for the freezer. So yeah, they're nice. Carrots. Let's have a look. Bindweed. There we go. That's a decent sized carrot. Let's see if I can get a few more. What I do, come. What I do is I have a look at the top of the carrot, and if it's of a decent size, then it gets pulled. There you go. There's a double carrot. The smell of carrots, it's just, you can smell these from the other side of the allotment. That's too small, that's too small. A couple of little ones. I think I should be wearing gloves when I'm doing that. There's something in there that's stinging me, and I think it's the actual carrot, sap from the carrot leaves. Right, that's it. There you go. Some nice carrots there. Well, I think that's it. As I said, we've been here all afternoon. We've been working hard, weeding and cutting grass and doing all the boring stuff. So this is it for now. Just a little quick one. We're going to go now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.